Ladies and gentlemen, did you know that you're probably getting the same advertisements in the mail that I get regarding dental coverage, insurance, life insurance plans? We have no concern with life insurance at all. However, we do want to stress to you that there's no need for you to be paying. What do they got? Under 50, husband and wife, $62.05. And if you're over 50, that same plan for you and your wife, $75.50. And depending on upon the services that you need rendered, there could be a waiting period of either 3 months, 6 months, or up to 1 year. But you still got to make that payment every month just to be in that program. And it only covers the spouse and you for one, and then there's a cap on top of that. Ladies and gentlemen, this does not make sense when there's a company, us, a plan, corporate, the Ameriplan Corporation, out there ready right now to bring you and your entire household into a program that signed today, used it today, depending on where you are in the country. And you want to put something with that, please?
Well, I tell you, Bernard, so for over 14 years, I think collectively close to 30 years, you and I have been talking, to fellow Americans about dental care. We're not dentists and don't profess to be any, but we are benefit consultants with the Ameriplan Corporation and the Pikes Peak Strategic Group. The Ameriplan Corporation is located in Plano, Texas. We're talking about an American company. So as fellow Americans, we feel an obligation that we have an outstanding membership program, a membership program which beats insurance. Yes, I said it, ladies and gentlemen, we beat insurance. That's why I want you to give me a call so we can talk to you about the difference between that dental insurance that you've been paying exorbitant amounts for years and years and may not even forgot about it comes out of your paycheck. When you're paying $125 a month for a family of four, that adds up. That adds up to, $1,400, $1,500 out of your budget. Why do you need to do that, ladies and gentlemen? And for as little as $19.95 or $39.95, and I'm stressing the $19.95 program for your entire household. And that's a big savings up front because we're a membership program, and you can take the rest of that money and put it in a health savings account and can use that to pay your dental bills or vision and all these other things. We are a complete membership program, dental, vision, prescription, and chiropractic services for the entire household. We've been doing this for many, many years. And once again, we're in 42 of the 50 states. We have over 85,000 dentists across the country. Been featured on Good Morning America, in national publications, Better Business Bureau. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the real deal. So give Bernard or Ed a call today, March the 2nd, 2021, and we will educate you. And I stress educating you on how we can save you money on your dental care. Thank you and have a wonderful day.